little bit, what are we doing today?
Okay, well basically we're installing something that's called a harness bar.
Morning guys, another video on the channel. We're on our way to Luchi's to install some things. Here with my brother-in-law, Natalia. So we're gonna be on the way. We are here on the Fesmobile and the Skyline. And we're gonna install some goodies that Braum was very kind to send us. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we're here at Automotive Perspective. Luchi is there. We're gonna work on the Skyline. We have the goodies. So we're gonna do a couple of videos and show it for you guys to see. We're gonna install rear bar and the harness for the seatbelt for tomorrow track event, which we're gonna do a video for that too. So yeah guys, let's see what the man is gonna do on the car. So here is actually Skyline, my daily, the Mazda 3, sorry that one. And then we have an E36 and it's supercharged. That's very cool. So I'm gonna show you guys everything. Let's see what the man is gonna do with his magic. Right?
I forgot. Congrats on your engagement.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it, Quentin. What's the plan? We're working on the interior. We're adding our new stuff from Braum.
We're gonna like give you some runs on the yeah.
Sí, le sigo. Okay, so we're opening the bars. I think those are the harness, right, Luchi?
Looks like it.
Yep. Ooh, Braum. Oh, this is sick.
There. And good. Nice.
So today we were gonna, if you don't want it, I'll tell them.
my shoulders got too big, so now it's just so I can't wear it anymore.
I'll take them, bro.
It's like the authentic, so it's like really
Yeah.
stiff. It's a black one, a white one, and a track jacket.
Oh.
I haven't even worn the white one yet. The track jacket matches it.
Yeah. I'll take it, bro. You don't want them? So what's that, Luchi?
Esta es la barra que va atrás. Y que para acá pasan los harness. Lo que tengo que ver ahora es cómo se arma esto para ver.
¿Es al otro? Ah, sí, es así.
Sí, esto va así. Acá imagino que van los soportes que van así. Igual quiero ver un video más.
Well, thanks to Braum Racing for sponsoring.
Es lo que te digo, el rosa está acá adentro. Entonces, para sacarlo tengo que sacar todo este panel.
A little bit, what are we doing today?
Okay, well basically we're installing something that's called a harness bar. The bar goes over here, creates a mounting space for the actual performance hardware. The harness goes through here. You're gonna see it when it's done. Once it's done, but it comes through here and right here, so it grabs the driver. The idea of the bar is that it has the right height, so in case of an accident, it grabs you on the shoulders where it's supposed to be. Many people bring it down to the bottom, and that creates an extra strain on the collarbone, which is not good for safety, pretty much. So that's why it's advisable to put a bar that goes right here. Braum has designed one that has the right height for that particular situation. And then you're gonna have, in this particular thing, I think you have the four points.
Yeah.
Therefore, you're gonna have the 2 points coming through the top, and you're gonna have the 2 points coming from the bottom to grab it right here. So, it's gonna do the trick, to keep you safe in case something happens.
Alright, man.
It looks good too.
I know. And we have the men doing the magic. What you doing now? You already took the seatbelts off?
Yeah, we took the seatbelts out. We're trying to figure out the best way to put the bar, because my main concern is that it's functional. So, it just has a weird fitment. So I guess we're gonna have to mount it right there at an angle like that. With the bars right here holding it forward. So it takes, it's rigid. The problem is that nobody's gonna get to sit on the back seats. Whatever. The price of being cool, huh?
No, cool. This is for safety and racing.
Racing!
Alright. We'll keep posting things, man.
We're setting up the harness. So we're working on the harness. I'm trying to find a safe way to put it in. So it does the job pretty much. And I'm trying to figure out the bottom right now. Trying to get it tight in here, and then we're gonna work on the back just to get it clean and functional per se. So I'm trying to figure out how to put it down here now.
It's actually trying to put it on the brackets right there. It's a bit more complicated than what we thought. Alright guys, we'll continue this. We'll show the final product, and then he's gonna inspect the car for tomorrow's time attack at AMR. What is the last step that you're doing?
I'm just trying to make this look prettier. I don't like it when it looks like that.
So this is the process.
Rolling it up in the back and put it in the back.
Yeah, so finally he got the seat belts installed. That's how they look. It's already almost 8 o'clock at night and we started probably like at 2. So imagine it. But what do you want to say to them about the installation of this?
It's not really a hard installation. It's just that you have to pay attention where you're hooking up everything, because one thing is just to put it and it looks good, but one thing is that it works. You know, there's seatbelts, there's safety hardware. You know, so the idea is this back thing. You can mount it to look good, but you gotta mount it where the whole thing is working. So as you can see, we're shaking the whole car. So this is very tight in case there's an accident. The same thing with the belts. You have to pay attention where you gotta hook them on the bottom and in the back. Right now we have the bar, so it's obviously goes here, but like, you know, it's good to like be cautious and mindful where you're gonna put them. So you know, it's safe like it should be. This one is grabbed to the brackets on the bottom of the seats where it needs to be. And you know, these are very tension, very good. So that's the best we could get it. That's why we took a little bit more time, because we want to make sure it was on a safe spot pretty much.
I'm gonna put his Instagram. You guys can follow him. If you have any requests or anything, send him a message. He can give you an appointment, bring the car. He's the one that has done all the work to the Skyline and to the daily. Well, he's gonna be at the track tomorrow also, which is right there, my Mazda Speed 3. It's a 2012. I've been on it since the beginning of it. Well, I think it was a year when I bought it. It had low miles. And then I bought this beautiful machine. So I'm gonna put all his information. You can contact him. Right there is his Instagram. And guys, I want to thank Braum for sponsoring myself with all this equipment. I'm very thankful to them. I bought the seats last year, and I'm very happy with the product. And so that's why I reached out to them about, you know, sponsorship, and said to see if they were able to send me, you know, the brackets and not the brackets, the bar and the harness. All right, guys. So he's gonna finish up that touch, and we'll be done with today's video. Alright guys, we want to conclude this video. We're still here at Automotive Perspective. He just completed the harness. We're gonna go home because tomorrow we gotta wake up at 5 in the morning to go to AMR for the track event. So I want to thank everybody for watching the videos and supporting us. You guys, please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna put my link below, also my Instagram and my TikTok, and please support us. We're just trying to bring some content to the car community. So now from Automotive Perspective, we'll see you on the next one, most likely tomorrow at AMR. Bye guys.